The beauty of nature, the sunrise to the beauty land to the beauty of water. Just look at the beauty of nature. So, on this episode, y'all, we went out to see what nature could provide. Right here in this very lake, we went out, gave it a try, and see what nature will provide. And although this isn't a catch, clean, and cook video, but on this day, we did catch them. Oh my God, did we catch them. And we also cleaned them. All together, 8 bags of fresh fish. Now let's go cook them. Let's take this to the kitchen and cook them right here on Just Let Your Smoke Glow, Grace and Smash. Alright, so now that we're in the kitchen, we're gonna go ahead and start frying some of this fish. I'm just gonna batter it up right quick. And we're gonna throw it in the grease. I got the grease set on 350. And we are using canola oil. Let's get it. Now you can see I lit it up about 5 squirts at a time. We're gonna drop the fish down and I let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna do some homemade hush puppies. That's right, homemade hush puppies. So I know y'all may have seen my video I did a while back about the 2-spoon technique. That's how we gonna do it. 2-spoon technique, homemade hush puppies. Now, the key to this, you got to have the grease hot. And I think about after 7-8 seconds, go ahead and flip them for the first time. And then you just play with it, y'all. Just keep a good eye on it. And when you see it's getting that color that you want, just keep flipping it until you think it's done. Oh yeah. Now right here, we're gonna mix up and make some homemade tartar sauce. We just got some mayo, and we're gonna use some pickled radish. We're gonna use some Mr. Dash and some pepper flakes and some lemon juice. Homemade tartar sauce. Okay, so right here, I thought we had some cocktail sauce. Hey, but we didn't. But you know what? Hey, if you ever notice that and realize that you need some, don't have some, hey, just make it. Homemade cocktail sauce. Basically, just ketchup and Italian dressing. Who would have known? There you have it, folks. Hey, we just using what nature provided. Man, hey, let me just take a moment and give a shout out to T. Hey, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing more business and work with T in the near future. Hey, shout out to Paul, the guy that I met at the cleaning dock. Hey, there it is, y'all. Using what nature provided. Nothing left but grace and smack.